Does this point to an enhanced ability to engage in long distance running and something that might relate to certain forms of hunting?
Yeah, that's exactly it. So these two features indicate that there was selection for stamina in humans. Okay, not power, but stamina. And there are few contexts, few activities that would require that kind of stamina. And an obvious locus of selection is hunting and possibly scavenging. So we can imagine that humans found a niche in which, running, hours after and after hours after long, large prey was a locus of selection and a niche that was not occupied by other mammals. And so that's what we think we happened with, or at least these are factors that probably contributed to the evolution of these traits in humans.
Mm-hmm. And sort of related to that, I've seen some interesting data around some of our metabolic and physiological adaptations, in particular things that have to do with our digestive system. So if you just sort of take a broad view of human digestion and metabolism, and you ask things like, what does our gut look like? How long is our GI tract? What is our stomach pH? All of these types of things. And you compare it to other mammals, herbivores versus carnivores versus scavengers. What sort of metabolic profile or digestive system would you say humans have in comparison to other mammals? And how does that maybe start to tie into some of these physical adaptations that tell us about what early humans may have been adapting to in terms of diet?
Well, that's not in my area of expertise, but some notions that I'm aware of that and I've worked on. For instance, if you think about pH,
Mm-hmm.
uh, our pH is not that different from that of, let's say, of wolves, for instance.